Hi, and welcome to AI Creator Max, your shortcut to writing high-converting content in just a few clicks. If you've ever stared at a blank page, trying to write a caption, email, ad, or headline, this is the tool you've been looking for. You don't need to be a copywriter. You don't need to master AI. You just need to know where to click and what to type. Here's how it works. Go to acreatormax.com and click Start Free. You can sign up instantly using your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Creator's Toolbox. This is where all the tools live. Use the search bar to find what you need. Type something like Instagram, product, or headline, and the right tools will appear instantly. Everything is organized into simple categories like marketing and ads, blogs, social media, and more. Let me show you a quick example. Open the Google Ad Titles tool. Just enter a few simple fields like your company name, a short product description, and a keyword. Then click Generate. In seconds, you'll get ready-to-use, high-converting ad titles, professionally written and tailored to your message. No brainstorming, no guesswork, just results. And every tool works the same way. Input, click, done. You can also explore helpful guides, bookmark your favorite tools, and check your history anytime from the sidebar. So go ahead, start generating content in seconds. It's simple, fast, and even kind of fun. Welcome to your new AI writing assistant. Start now, it's free.